The budget had an announcement on quantum mission. The AI centers for education, for agriculture, for health, and urban spaces, urban cities. Now when you showed the presentation, I see you have retained agriculture, you've retained health, you've retained education, but you're talking about now space and space technology. Fine, what has happened to my urban spaces? Where is it? Have you dropped it out? It was mentioned on the recommendation of the team which met me. So we need better cities to live, and therefore I'm very insistent that AI should help us give solutions for better city urban areas which exist and for newer urban centers that we may plan. I think we need to have a greater understanding that AI probably is capable of giving us in situ solutions without having to remove people from where they are, but keep them there, but give them the solutions which has been waiting for decades. And I can assure you, working together with the Reserve Bank of India, the case which was mentioned in your presentation, Kaku, is the Reserve Bank of India is certainly creating sandbox for various user testing application and so on. Sandboxes were used also when we were talking about digital currencies, retail and wholesale retail digital currencies, which the Reserve Bank wanted to try, and it worked well for them to have the sandbox done. So sandbox creation for financial sector AI applications, for financial and insurance sector AI application, yes, the RBI will create. But I'm seeing wherever I go, people in delegations meeting with me to showcase how much they have advanced in this. The sandboxes may be of use for us to see where the regulatory mechanisms can come in with a soft touch approach and not to clamp down on it, so that we are happy that we are regulating, but in the process, unfortunately, we are probably killing the technology itself. We do not want regulation that literally wipe off the regulation, wipe off the technology itself. We want regulations because we want a responsible application. We want what was earlier discussed in the UK meet, the ethical application of AI and so on. But that bridge is probably now crossed because we know how best to go on the ethical regulations and so on. But that has to be kept up because AI is not static, as we heard now on the data sets and so on.